Today, we're walking you through installing a Global Pool Products ADA-compliant pool lift. The model shown is the L350R2, but the process is similar for many Global Pool Products lifts. Please consult the installation and instruction manual included with your pool lift before beginning. Step 1. Unbox all parts and assemble the chair according to your manual's instructions. Make sure your battery is on the charger while you get started, so your lift will be ready to use once installed. Double-check your setback. The front edge of the mounting plate should be about 7.5 inches from the pool's edge. Step 2. Drilling the anchor. Mark your anchor location and double-check alignment with mounting plate. Clear the mounting plate and drill your anchor holes. Our installers mark their drill bit to visualize proper depth as they're drilling. Thoroughly blow all dust out of the drill holes before moving on. Step 3. Anchor installation. Fill each hole about halfway with concrete anchoring epoxy. Insert your anchors and make sure inner threads are free of epoxy. Let the epoxy fully cure according to the manufacturer's instructions before moving on. Step 4. Mounting the lift. Once the epoxy is cured, align the mounting plate over the anchors. Insert the bolts and tighten snugly with hand tools. Avoid power tools to prevent cracking the epoxy. Step 5. Power and test. Insert the battery, connect the handset, and test the lift. The sealed actuator will smoothly rotate and lower the chair into the pool. Then, return it to deck level at the push of a button. Both armrests flip up. The footrest is adjustable, and the seat height can be set to match standard wheelchair height, usually 17 to 19 inches. And that's it. Your Global Pool Products lift is installed and ready for safe, ADA-compliant use. The L350R2 shown here is just one of several models available.
Hello, this is Pat from Easy Test Pools. Just want to have a special shout out today to Global Pool Lifts for their generous contribution of this pool lift to one of our long-term customers. It'll allow our customer to have access to the pool and enjoy her backyard.